Welcome to Mel Bear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how to make this very easy St. Patrick's Day green and gold end of the rainbow tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. So for today's project, I'm going to show you how to make this very easy St. Patrick's Day themed snow globe tumbler, or you could call it Irish themed or end of the rainbow theme. Very easy tumbler to do. So for this one, we're going to use mica powder. I've got 3 different golds. You probably only need 1 gold, but I'm going to mix these anyways. You need a hollowed wall tumbler with a spot drilled out of it. You're going to need green food coloring. You're going to need distilled water, and you're going to need clear glue. I've been using this one from Create Basics. Any clear water-based glue will work for this. And I'm going to add about 2 scoops of each one of these mica powders. This one's quite pretty. It's very yellow because it's called yellow. Add 1 more scoop of yellow. And I'm going to add another scoop of gold. I'm going to add my powder to a squeeze bottle just to make it easier to put into the tumbler. And then we're going to add a water and glue mixture into this. And I use approximately a tablespoon of glue per about half a cup of water for these ones, but you can adjust that as you see fit. If you want this to flow slower, add more glue. If you want it to flow faster, use less glue. It's pretty simple. Okay, and then to this we're going to add some distilled water and the glue as well. And then we're going to add some green food coloring to this as well. All right, so I added 8 drops of the green food coloring, and we'll see how that looks. And now we're just going to add this to the tumbler. We're going to shake that up really well. It was sitting a little bit because I had some visitors. And then we're just going to squeeze this directly into the tumbler. All right, and then we're just going to top that up with a little more of the water glue mixture. All right, so then we're just going to wipe this off with alcohol, and we're going to seal it. And I'm going to do a separate tutorial on sealing tumblers, which is going to be coming up in the next few weeks. So if you're confused at all about sealing tumblers, that will cover sealing them. So I'll be back as soon as that's done. All right, and here is our magical color changing St. Patrick's Day tumbler. Is there gold at the end of the rainbow? Let's find out. I think there is. There we go, it's completely gold. And then after you let it sit for a while, it will be completely green with a little gold in the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. If you enjoy the content, give me a thumbs up. It really does help. Thanks for watching.